Welcome to Dexter's September. Come here, honey. He's hiding under the bed. September 2021 BARKBOX unboxing. It came pretty early this month. So this is his monthly dog subscription box. It comes with toys and treats, and even though he's somehow become camera shy with these unboxings, he loves the toys and the treats that he has from his BARKBOX. That's actually a treat right there on the ground that I put near the box to try and lure him. But maybe if we open it, he will be interested. Oh, this looks like such a cute theme. Peace and fluff. Dexter, what do you think? Oh my gosh, this looks so cute and colorful. So let's pull out the two toys. Okay, this is adorable. Crinkle, Squeaky, guitar. What do you think, honey? You want to come play with it? And then you always get two toys in the BARKBOX. This one, oh my gosh. Okay, I think he's going to love this. He loves the little toys. Oh, there he comes. This adorable little mushroom trio. There you go, honey. Those are pretty nice toys. And there's a treat. And then the two bags of treats. Speaking of, here we've got Baba jerky bites. You get two bags of treats in every box, which I think is great value. Which, by the way, I don't think I mentioned that the boxes are $25 a month. Lamb recipe. Oh, perfect for pumpkin season. Look, he just pulled the toy back under there. I'll have to take the tag off. But so, pumpkin and honey recipe. Small chew. Grain-free. This is great. This is a whole bag of little chews. Sometimes it's just a single chew, but you always get a chew treat and two bags of treats. So it looks like, oh wow, usually it's two different types of treats. This month it is two of the same Baba lamb recipe. And then I love to look at the bottom of the box, which it always comes so adorably packaged. And it shows the other toys that they could have gotten. So very cute. I love the colorful rainbow theme this month. I think it's so cute. All of the themes are always so cute and funny, and they put good detail into them. Yeah, he's gonna love this. This is actually 3 separate mushroom toys. So that's like 3 toys in one. So cute. You're like your new toy, honey? Well, thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing. If your dog got the BARKBOX this month, let me know what your dog's reaction was to it. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in my next video. What you got, honey? You got your new toy? Yeah. You want to play with your new toys? These are pretty awesome new toys, huh? Yeah, good boy. You like all of them. You don't know which one to play with next.